Madison Reed. Does it actually work? I'm about to test it and find out whether or not you can save money by skipping the salon and coloring your hair at home. Hey, what's up guys? It's Justine with Debt Free Millennials, the channel for all things millennial, money, and debt-free living. If you want to save some money and start living a debt-free life, well, I've got some news. Madison Reed is going to come into play and help us out with hair coloring at home. So this is the box that you get when you order online, and inside of the box there's going to be instructions, and then it comes with the activator, the actual color, gloves, a cap, and then some cream that you rub on the outside of your forehead so that the color doesn't bleed into your skin. So it's kind of compact, convenient, and I'm gonna test it. Now, when I first started coloring my hair, I was doing it at a salon. So this is over a year old balayage treatment, and it's super brassy. I'm not happy with it, so I thought, how can I save some money? So today I'm gonna be testing a semi-gloss to help take down the brassiness in my hair, and it's supposed to add more honey tones. So the gloss looks like this. We're gonna try this first and see how it works, and then next I'm going to be testing the all over permanent color, which is going to be a dark brown for me. You guys can see this is the top part of my hair. This is my natural color right here, this dark brown. The color that I got is a little bit darker than my natural, so I'm gonna test that out too, and then I'll post a review.
Then there you have it. She is done. She's fully cooked.
Okay, so now I have to bake with this set in for 35 minutes.
Okay.
Right?
Well, if that's the case, I'm gonna put this up then.
I gotta leave this in for 35 minutes, and then after that, I'm going to wash this with the shampoo and conditioner that came with this set. I'm gonna wash and shampoo with this, yeah, and this, and we'll see what happens after this. Be back in a minute. Hey guys, I'm back, and my hair has been washed and conditioned with the Madison Reed Color Shampoo, and this is the semi-permanent gloss. So you can see, I feel like the blonde really took hold of it, and so now it's this honey color and there's more of a natural fade. However, we applied it to my roots and my dark brown hair, and I really don't feel like it picked up, and it definitely did not hide any of my little sparklers, as I like to call them. But overall, I think this is a good in-between look before I actually do the full permanent color of the all over brown. We are back. It has been probably, what, 6 to 8 weeks?
Yeah.
Since we did the semi-permanent.
Mm-hmm.
How do you think it's held up?
The semi-permanent glaze, or what did we call that? Gloss was beautiful. I thought it looked really nice because it kept your ombre, but it added, I don't know, it added a nice finish to it, so it didn't look... I mean, it's faded now, of course, but right after we did it, it took a lot of the brass.
Yeah, it toned down the brass a lot. So I will do a side-by-side comparison so that you guys can see what it looked like before, right after we did the gloss, and now.
Yes.
So
now we are taking it to, we're going to attempt to get rid of this and take it to one solid brunette color. Do you know what level it is?
Un momento. It's a level 5.
Ooh, that's gonna be dark.
It went NA. Help me out, people who know colors here.
Come on, Biddy, if she's watching.
So this is an ash, is what her best friend told me helps tone down any existing blonde that you might have in your hair. So this is going to be an all over color, and I think that's it.
Yeah.
She's gonna be my stylist, my colorist.
I'm the stylist today.
And we're gonna get started. FYI, we are doing a little cocktails while we
are doing IBC.
Cocktails in any way that you want.
Yes.
This is how we can color our hair at home. That's the best part.
Free drinks, and you can shoot the shit with your sister.
Amen, sister. Okay. Okay, she has successfully gotten all of my hair, and now,
just so it doesn't fall in the cap.
Okay, and now we are going to let the color set for 45 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it out, and hopefully I will be a new shade of brunette. So cute! Okay guys, I wanted to move out where there was some more natural light to show you the end result of my hair, so you can see that the blonde is all gone. And admittedly, I have washed my hair a couple times before I filmed this, so you can see there is a little bit of lightness down at the ends compared to the top. But overall, I'm really happy with my Madison Reed hair color. I am definitely going to do this again. If you want to try Madison Reed, I have an affiliate link below. If you use that, you should get $15 off your order. And then here's a pro tip. If you kind of search around and do your hair quiz, and then wait a couple of days, you should see an email from Madison Reed, and they'll throw in some extra goodies for you for free if you go ahead and do the order, plus your $15 off, so you can stack the savings even more. So if you want to try it, use my link below, and if you've already tried Madison Reed, let me know. Do you like it? Did you like this tutorial? Give it a thumbs up if you did.